hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell and watch my whole video. Hey, I got something brand new for you this week. It's going to blow your mind. It's been blowing my mind for the past 4 weeks. My wife gave me this set of Quest 2 goggles, and I discovered I can make art while wearing them, and it is unbelievable. I've been using these past 4 weeks to just try to understand how to use the various media, and I'm going to be using this program called OpenBrush, and I'll be painting and creating a sketch while I'm in there. I'm going to do an abstract sketch, and then I'm going to take you inside my painting. That's how amazing it is. I don't know if you've ever seen the Robin Williams movie called What Dreams May Come True, where they went inside these oil paintings. Well, I'm going to take you inside my painting today, and I hope you enjoy it, and maybe you might want to try out one of these Quest 2s because it's unbelievable. In OpenBrush, I'm telling you, it's blown my mind. So if you want to see how Mr. Smith is going to create some virtual art, you got to just watch. I just love working with OpenBrush. Before working with OpenBrush, I was using Tilt Brush, which is the original program that was developed by Google. OpenBrush is an open source version built on the Tilt Brush platform. Right now I'm using a utility that lets you create mirror images of what you're painting. Now, the biggest difference of painting in this virtual reality program is it's three-dimensional. So no longer am I painting on a flat surface. As you see, I'm turning and pivoting how I'm painting because I have all sides that I can work with. It just depends on where your viewer will be. And that's something that you got to get used to versus working on a flat two-dimensional plane. Now, these brushes do so many different things, from dots to electric jolts, icing brush, there's a comet, there are fire embers. It's almost limitless, the amount and the variation of brushes that you can use and what you can do with them. I am still learning and trying to find what are my favorites or my go-tos. Right now, I think I am more fascinated with the ability of being able to go inside my work of art and to actually experience it, not just from the outside, not just from different sides, but from inside. One of the things that OpenBrush has that the original Tilt Brush did not have is a utility called Fly. Once I hit this, I can almost like fly through the air. Now they had other things which was like called teleport, and by stretching my arms forward and back, I could make the painting bigger, and you'll see that happen. What I'm doing right now, I'm trying to find the perfect background, and black works best with this particular painting. Backgrounds end up changing your color, so you always must be careful. That's why a lot of times I start out working with a white background, and then I'll figure out which one works the best. I just hit fly, and now I'm starting to fly through my painting. This is amazing. I just love this, being able to go through some of these strokes. It's like a world inside my painting. I'm bumping into my strokes and bubbles and other things, and having them so large, it affects the artist in a much different way than it does just from sitting back at an easel and looking at a canvas. I told my wife that there was no greater present that she could have given me. 2 years ago, I was blown away with the iPad and what I could do with that. Right now, virtual reality painting has opened my eyes to a brand new world of artistic creation. And I can't wait to explore it more and to share it. How often you get to dance with your brushstrokes? I love this one. It moves like a reticulating snake. And when you see my image in a little viewer, what you're seeing is what I see in my eye. Inside my goggles, I have a viewer which lets me see what the camera sees. And when I turn a particular way, then you can see it too. If you haven't realized, I've called this creation my electric butterfly. Although I feel like I'm the caterpillar in the cocoon, getting ready to come out, transforming, learning about mixed reality. Now, that was the hard part, being able to get my Quest 2 goggles to work with a laptop and to be able to show you my image in the virtual reality world while I'm creating. So what you're seeing are the image that I have coming from my goggles and what I also have coming from a camera. I've taken both of these cameras and input them together. Now as I close my arms, the world of my creation becomes smaller. And I can hold it inside my hands. As I move my arms apart, it gets larger. This has been a fantastic experience. I'm glad you would be able to come today to see my initial experience using Quest 2 and Open Brush. Please come back for more.